In this segment of the e-learning tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how you provide general information about readings or what students have to do for a particular unit or a week. You typically do this via what's called a page. So we go here and turn editing on in the course. So we go into edit mode and then scroll to the unit where you want to enter that particular informational piece. In our case, we can use either add an activity or a resource, or if we move our mouse above lecture 1, let's say we want to insert something in there, we click on the little plus sign and then select page. Page, it's simply a mechanism to provide information to the students. It's not a graded activity, it's just information as to what they have to do. Now, we do suggest that you put numbers for each item in the course page. In that way, if students have issues with accessing or completing an activity, they can reference it by the number. Readings and objectives, and then under the content area down here, not in the description area, but the content area, this is where you post your objectives. Then you can select to format this the way you want. Notice there are 3 dots here where you can utilize additional options. Adjust the formatting. And then also, if this box is too small, you can make this larger by dragging it downwards from the bottom right corner. Once you are set, then press save and return to the course. Now notice readings and objectives has been posted, and these are the details for it.